In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Tasks in Google Calendar. First, open your browser, go to calendar.google.com and sign in. Once your calendar loads, look to the right-hand sidebar. Find the blue checkmark icon. That's the Tasks panel. If you don't see the sidebar, click the small arrow at the bottom right to expand it so Tasks becomes visible. Let's create your first task. In the Tasks panel, click the option that says Add a task. Type a clear, short title that tells you exactly what needs to be done. Next, click the pencil icon to open the task details. Here you can add a description for extra context. Think notes, links, or what done looks like. You can also set a due date and, if needed, a specific time. If the task involves several parts, add subtasks to break it down into manageable steps. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new task will appear in the Tasks panel, and if you set a date, you'll also see it on your calendar. If you didn't add a date or you want to change it later, just click the task in the panel and choose Add Date Time. Select the date and add a time if it matters. Tasks with only a date appear in the All Day section. Adding a time places them at that exact slot on your schedule. As soon as you confirm, the task shows up on that day. Now, let's organize. You can drag and drop tasks within the panel to reorder them by priority, deadline, or effort, whatever keeps you focused. Use subtasks to keep multi-step work neatly grouped under a single parent task, so your main list stays clean while nothing gets lost. When you finish something, check it off. Completed tasks disappear from your calendar view to reduce clutter, helping you focus on what's next, while still keeping a record you can reference later. To see how everything fits into your day, view tasks right on your calendar. Any task with a date appears alongside your events. Switch to day or week view for the clearest side-by-side picture with meetings and appointments. This makes it easier to plan realistically, spot conflicts, and protect time for deep work. And that's the workflow. Open Google Calendar. Make sure the Tasks panel is visible. Add a task, use the details to enrich it, assign dates and times when needed, organize with drag and drop and subtasks, and view tasks right on your calendar. With these steps, you'll keep your to-dos visible, actionable, and perfectly aligned with your schedule.